Hello YouTube fans, and welcome to another video from Commodore 007. Yes, right, this is another retro video, and yes, I do apologise. I know in a previous YouTube video I was going to do a look at the 2600 Atari with its games, and I haven't got round to doing it yet, but I shall do it very soon. But as you can remember in my last YouTube video, I managed to get into my garage, and I managed to pull out a load of boxes which had all my computers in with the games. And if you want to watch that video, go onto my YouTube channel, which is Commodore 007, and you'll find it, as I called it, Cash in the Boxes. Yes, it's called Cash in the Boxes. Now, why did I call it Cash in the Boxes? Well, basically, anything which is computer related from the 70s, 80s, early 90s, from the Atari to the Commodore to your Nintendo to your Sega, if you look on eBay, they are just going up in value. They are going up in value. It's like I was in Oxford a month ago, and I went into a charity shop, and as I was looking in this charity shop, they had the original Atari 2600 from the wooden box version with the box and everything in it, and it was going for £30. And I was a stupid idiot, I didn't get it, and basically I looked on eBay and they are going for 150, 200 plus. So yeah, anything which is computer related in the 70s, 80s, early 90s is going up in value. And like I said, my last YouTube video is called Cash in the Boxes, because I've got retro stuff from the Commodore Plus 4 to the Commodore 64. I've got a Master System Mark II, Mega Drive, Mega CD, 32X. Yeah, I've got a Sega Saturn. I've got them all in there, and I've got a load of games. So I just wanted to showcase them all off. And as I was going through the boxes, and as I pulled out a load of my computer stuff, I pulled out my Commodore Plus 4. Yes, my very first home computer from 1984. Would you believe it or not? And as I can just show you very quickly, there you go. The Commodore Plus 4 is still looking in pretty good nick. There you go. I can see it might be a little bit dusty because it's been in boxes, but no, she's in pretty good nick. And with the Commodore Plus 4, you had cassette tape. Yep, that's the cassette tape with the rounded wire at the end. And last but not least, you had the Mega Power Pack. Yes, that is the power pack which powered up your Commodore Plus 4. Now these are really, really heavy. Yep, they were monster. Yep, they were big. And I can see that's the Commodore logo. And I do remember from the 80s, they did get rather extremely hot if they were on for a long time. And back in the 80s, I was a kid, and yes, they were my Commodore Plus 4 was on constantly because I loved my Commodore Plus 4. I must have had about over 100 games for it on cassette tape. And yeah, that is the Commodore Plus 4, and that is the power pack, and that is where you connect it into your Plus 4, and there's your plug. Now basically, as I was going through the boxes, the one game I didn't show or notice I had, which was a porno game. Well, I wouldn't say it's a porno game, but it's actually got adult material in it because it's actually meant to be strip poker. Yep, but this is Hollywood poker. And there you go. That's a little demonstration of what the game looks like. But those screenshots were actually taken from the Amiga version, and this was released in 1988. So yeah, I don't know why they put the Amiga screenshots on there when it's the Commodore Plus 4, but these are actually 4 actual real women, which were actually digitalized photos. And yeah, this was the game, and that's what the game looked like. It's made by players, and yeah, I can always remember this game because this game, believe it or not, took about 3 hours to load. Yep, 3 hours to load a game. How can that be? But anyway, as I can just show you, that's the inlay card. Basically, it tells you how to load it and how to play it in English and all other languages. And basically, it tells you the player's address, where the game or where the games are made. And yeah, and also you've got a demonstration of other games which you can buy from the same company. So yeah, so basically that's Hollywood poker. So let me just give you a little review of the Commodore Plus 4. As I said, the Commodore Plus 4 is in really good nick, and you'll notice the keyboard, well, the alphabetical keys are laid out as a keyboard you see today, because you've still got your QWERTY, QWERTY, and all that. You've got your number keys up here, you've got your function keys up here, which basically can take you into spreadsheets and other stuff. You've got your space bar down there. Now, the one thing I did like about this keyboard, and you don't see it on keyboards today, but you've got your little arrow keys down here. Yeah, so you've got your up, down, left and right. So basically that is kind of like ingenious, because basically if you didn't have a joystick then and you were playing a game, you could use the cursor keys to move around. Yeah, and I do have a joystick somewhere, but like I said, I still got boxes to pull out, and I still got a lot of boxes to pull out, but hey ho. Right, let's take you down to the back. You can have virtually like little cartridges in here. That's like an external memory slot. You got your joystick 1 and 2 there. You got your power port there where you put your power in. Yeah, also you can have a little, like a little printer in here, and you got video slot there, and one for your printer or whatever. So yeah, And round the side you've got a lead for your TV outlet, which is an RF lead, yeah. And yeah, and you've got like your on and off switch there, and you've got a reset button there which can reset your Commodore Plus 4, which I was kind of impressed by. And yes, I am still surprised these keys haven't gone yellow. Yeah. And I think I must have bought this off of eBay, because my original one I got rid of ages ago. But I bought this one off of eBay back in 2008, 2009. And yeah, when I bought it off of eBay, I bought it for about 140, something like that. And like I said, anything like this back in from the 80s, 70s, anything like this, the value is going up. Yeah. So yeah. So basically, that's a quick look at the Commodore Plus 4. So thanks for watching Crimbo007 on YouTube, and if you like what you've seen, please subscribe, because I do like my subscribers, and I do like the people who already subscribed to my YouTube video. And yeah, so basically what I'm going to be doing in my next YouTube vid is connecting my Commodore Plus 4 up to my smart TV. Yeah, I would have liked to set it up with an old telly, but I don't have an old telly, so basically I'm going to make do with my smart TV, which is Sony. And yeah, so what I'll be doing is tuning into the analog, and yeah, so basically thanks for watching Crimbo007 on YouTube, and catch you later.